Hi guys, this video is a tutorial on my medium-sized goddess lock. These are the products that I use: jam, edge control, oil sheen, shaper spray, oil for the scalp, nail glue, scissors, combs, clips, and a crochet stick. I section the hair off to braid it in individuals, and I use jam around the parts. These are medium-sized triangle parts. Once you're finished with your individuals, be sure to moisturize the entire scalp and the entire braid. 5 packs of the Jamaican twist braids and 3 packs of the free twist deep twist 22-inch. When you crochet the marley hair through, the 2 strands, you're going to use them to make a braid. So this basically secures the marley hair from sliding. When you get past the client's hair, you're going to take a thin piece of the marley hair and wrap it and tie a knot. So when you tie this knot, this basically secures the lock from unraveling. After you're finished with the first piece, you're going to grab the second piece of marley hair and begin to wrap. When you get towards the end, grab both pieces of marley hair, put them together, and finish the lock off. If your client prefers less frizz, just go over the lock with a lighter. Cut your loose hairs off the ends. Thanks for clicking this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.